In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to integrate a Lightbox with a sign-up form into your website, connect it seamlessly to your email marketing system, set up the right triggers, and publish it live. This process is a wonderful way to increase your subscription rate and engage more effectively with your visitors. Let's get started by adding a Lightbox to your site. A Lightbox is a great tool for capturing attention as it overlays web pages without navigating away. It gently nudges your site visitors to take the action you want, like signing up for a newsletter. Begin by accessing your website's backend and navigate to the section where you can manage pop-ups or overlays. Here, look for the option to add Lightbox and select it. You'll notice a variety of templates at your disposal. Choose a design that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and the message you want to convey. Remember, the more visually appealing and on-brand your Lightbox, the better it will perform. Next, we will insert a sign-up form into your newly added Lightbox. This is an essential step, as it allows visitors to easily subscribe to your content. Within your chosen Lightbox template, include fields for the necessary information you wish to collect. Typically, entries like name and email address are standard, but you can tailor the fields to collect any other pertinent information your marketing strategy might require. Be sure to make the form simple and quick to fill out because this significantly boosts the likelihood that visitors will subscribe. Once your sign-up form is ready, the subsequent step is to connect this form to your email marketing platform. This connection is crucial as it facilitates the automatic transfer of subscriber information straight into your mailing list, ensuring no manual entry is needed. Locate the integration settings within your Lightbox options and select your email marketing service provider from the list. This could be any one of the popular platforms such as MailChimp, Constant Contact, or whichever you use. You may need to enter your API key or authorize access as directed by your email service. Once done, save these settings to link your sign-up form directly to your email list, ensuring all new subscribers are captured reliably. Now, with the Lightbox and email system in place, it's time to set triggers for when your Lightbox will appear. Effective trigger settings can supercharge your sign-up form's conversion rate. Common strategies include launching the Lightbox after a visitor has spent a certain amount of time on your page or when they exhibit an exit intent, moving their cursor towards the browser's close button. You can also opt to show it after scrolling a percentage down the web page. Adjust these settings to best match your user interaction goals